Look, you all know what this is, right? You all know what an air compressor is. Now, I'm going to be showing you a product that is one of these, an air compressor, a jump pack, and also a power bank at the exact same time. If that interests you, let's watch the whole video. So here we have the Auxito jump pack. This is the case that it comes in. Pretty nice, solid case. It's pretty heavy but compact. Nice little drawstring here so you can hold it. Go ahead and open it. See what we get. Comes with a little guide, user manual. And we get the, obviously, get the unit here. Have a look at this unit. Pretty hefty. You can see here, jump starter with air compressor. That's what we're after, the air compressor. So, looks like we've got an input, output, got an overheat. I guess that's where the compressor is from. And then you also got the jumper pack where you jumpstart your vehicle there. I'll show you that later. Yeah, and you obviously can charge in there. And this is the torch as well. We've got our jumper cables. Tells you the instructions of how to jump it there. But these are jumper cables, very simple. And then we have our compressor fittings. So you can do several different things with this. You can do obviously a bull or a bike or what have you, but majority I'm going to be using this for is a car. So we also have a charging cable here, which is a USB type C, very common these days. Let's say for example we want to go to 40 psi. We would go ahead and screw this in here. Okay, let's go ahead and see how well this does pumping up my car tires. We want to go to 40 psi. That scared me. That's 39 right now. Can we just wait for that? Cool, so that's gone to 40 psi. Now the good thing about this is that you don't have to worry about what PSI, you just set your PSI and it's done. The way to air down is to release this valve here to air down, or you can use your tire deflator however you want. Now if we go back, it's dropped to 36. It's saying I'm at 26, 27, 26 PSI, okay? So nearly track ready for corrugated roads, right? Now I want to test how long it takes to go up to 40 PSI. My mic wasn't even on me that whole time, that sucks. So I've shown you how to pump over tires using the Auxito unit. We did about 25 to 37 PSI in about 5 minutes. And the first time using it, I probably did a few things wrong. Another feature you've got is the torch. So let me turn it on. You've got the torch feature, so bright, flashing, and then you've got the help, which is red, help signal, and then off. Now I'm going to show you how to jump start your vehicle. Okay, so this is a positive, and this is your negative. And essentially what you want to do is you want to find this plug here with the car symbol, pop that open, okay? Now this can only go in one way, all right? So that goes in like so, make sure it clicks all the way through. Now we want to set this up, I'll do it like this way. We want red on red, black on black. That's the case with pretty much any vehicle. Go ahead, put that on. Go ahead, put this on. Okay, now this is going to be hard to see in the sun, but turn the car on. Okay, now everything should be ready to go, and there is an LED underneath. It's hard to see, but there's an LED here, And if it's blinking, that means that the car is ready to jump start. Cool. So, as I was saying before, you can see how it's blinking here. Now you have to read the instructions on the back, which pretty much tell you exactly. So, blinking jump cable, jump starter is ready, connect to car, bright. If it's solid, that means connection is good, start the engine. And if it's red, that means you've done wrong polarity, okay? So you can't really mess it up. So if you guys would like one of these Auxito jump starter air compressors, the link will be the first link in the description down below. It is an affiliate link. If you use my code HUME4x4, you will get a 15% discount off the product. I think they retail about 180, 190. With the discount, you can get a little bit more off. So, all right, so that's gonna do it for the Auxito jump pack. Hope you guys have learned something. Hopefully you guys purchase one for yourself. This is a partnership with Auxito as well. So without further ado, click in the top left-hand corner for my MP300 playlist, and I'll catch you later.